how to use Valor Blade in Last War. So Valor Blade, typically in games like Last War, usually serves a form of currency or special resource. This can be used for the following. You can obtain Valor Blades through missions, events, or as rewards for achieving certain milestones in the game. So these are some ways you can acquire Valor Blades within Last War. Once you've obtained it, you will need to find where to use it in the game. So how you'll do it is to launch Last War and access the main menu. Then look for a section like Inventory, Items, or Resources. Here you should be able to see all the items you currently own, including the Valor Blade. Then find the Valor Badge in your inventory or items list. It may be listed under special items or currency depending on the game's layout. Then you want to use the Valor Badge. So what you want to do is in the Valor Badge menu, you should see a list of actions that can be taken with the badge. These could include these right here. Then you just want to select the desired use. So tap or click on the action you want to take with the Valor Badge. For example, if you want to boost your attack stats, choose Attack Boost option. Then you just want to confirm the action and then enjoy the benefits. If this video helps you, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.